Ciao Tesla people, we'll do Supercharger Talk number 67, and we have some news from Tesla. So the first news is they are almost ready to open the Tesla diner. They had an event showcasing the diner, and it's of course is in Los Angeles near the Hollywood sign, and they had a bunch of chargers around the facility. Inside the diner is I think it's a 2-floor diner. On the bottom there is the hamburger place where you can order food and stuff. They had an Optimus robot giving popcorn to people, filling up the boxes with popcorn. And then on top they had an outside space like a balcony overlooking the superchargers, and you could see the Hollywood sign, which is pretty cool. So soon they're almost done, so soon they will open. It's going to be interesting. Of course, you can charge there even if you don't have a Tesla. Of course, you can eat there. You don't have to have a Tesla. So it's going to be interesting to see it. The other news was, and I mentioned last time, that Tesla launched in India. So they have a different Tesla store showcasing the new Model Y. Of course, in India is right-hand driving. So there's some discussion about that, because you have to produce the car on purpose for that market. And also the cost. I don't know the translation of the cost, but from what people mention, is a bit on the expensive side for the Indian market. But, we'll see how it goes. And of course, the Model Y 6s that launched in China, or they're ready to launch. It's interesting because in the back, they have the sign, and it's Model Y, and it has actually Y, and it has three signs. People call it Model Y long, but in reality it's 3 Ys, because 3 rows, I think. And it's like around 20-30 centimeter longer than this car, and it's like a Model X. So in the middle here in the back there is no seat. There are 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in here in the mid row, and 2 seats in the way back. It's going to be interesting to see how easy it is to get in and get out. Since there is the space in between, it should be pretty easy, like the Model X that has 6 seats. So it's going to be interesting to see it. And of course, they increase the battery and the range for the car, because if you have 6 people, it will consume more, of course, more weight. And we'll see how it goes. There are not that many details about it, so we'll see. And then the interesting part, they are launching a Model 3 Plus called, which is a Model 3 Highland, but with around 500 miles of range. That's what people are speculating. And this too, we'll see how it goes, because there are not many information about it. So we don't know what battery and which chemistry. Of course, it's going to be an LFP for sure, but what version of the battery, and how big is the battery, how many kilowatts hour. And then the other interesting part was the Giga factory for the semi truck in Nevada. They're showcasing a video. I'm going to show it, a video about the Giga factory, and they're expanding the factory. They're finishing the build, and it's going to produce, of course, the semi truck, and also around 100 gigawatt hour of battery for the 4680. So this is another interesting news from Tesla. I'm going to show some pictures and the video of the semi factory right now, and I'll see you on next video. check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. You can get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Check out the semi video.